what I'm looking at really this morning, I think the way I like this is I'm going to watch this 40.95. This isn't the best setup. So if we open in this neighborhood, I'm going to need something, maybe a 5-minute setup off of this, close the 5-minute candle, see what we look like here. But that 4100 should be a nice long, but we could get that nice dump down into 40.78. So I think just let that 5-minute candle close. This thing come down and hit 4100. Give me a setup off that 4100 or 40.95. Dipped right into that black magic. I bet it did. Right at the freaking OIM, just under the OIM calculations. That's what I was looking at. Nice. Right into the OIMs. And I was thinking about just pulling the trigger right here. I could have got them for like 1340 on the 4100s. Yeah, looking at these bulls, trying to close this thing over that. Yeah, look at it. I wish I'd have pulled up the black magic. It might have given me a little bit more. Well, it would have probably given me more conviction to pull the trigger on that one. That's all right though, man. I'm fine being patient here. That's a nice long though. Now we've closed over the 50%. Pull back into the 50% of this opening range. Is a nice long. We got a lot of volume traded right there too. Look at that nice volume node right at that 50%. Order filled. Got filled on the calls there. Dipped right in that 50% what I was talking about. I was hoping for one more push, man, and just wasn't gonna. I don't think it's gonna give it to me. So, and then according to the gap stats, we're gonna in the first hour we're gonna break this. Yeah, there we go. All the way up to that 9 would be just right. I'm gonna take some profits up there. Let's go, baby. 1 minute in this candle, so no reason to not let this 5-minute candle work. 5-minute 9 be a good target. Calc level is a good target. Order filled. Calc level here. I'm gonna take some profits just in case we pull back and give me a nice setup here. Well, and then this is a tap of the 5-minute 9, especially if this thing rejects and comes back down here, right? So we're getting close to the end of this 5. I think it's time to take some profits here. I can add on another strike. I'm gonna take some more off here just at the close of this candle. I'm looking for a pullback to add here. Yeah, see, it's not even gonna give me a chance to get in, is it? It's already getting ready to take off. Nice dip into that opening range high. If we can get up into 20 in this candle, I'm going to take some more off. But profit stop is in place here under the opening range. If we dump under this opening range here, I'm going to take it off. Take my hit, let it hit my profit stop, and then decide whether or not I want to add here. I'm liking this 15-minute 9 here for profits at the end of this 5-minute candle. Depends on what that catalyst does. Nice. Let's go. We didn't give me 30 on this freaking candle. Before the top of the hour. Beautiful. I'm gonna take some profits here too. It's a 15-minute 9. I'm gonna take profits. I'm gonna get most of them off. Hang on to a couple with a profit stop in place.